This is Tynemouth Priory and Castle. I'm going to try and get the drone up, but there is a festival on at the moment, so it's going to be limited where I can fly it. And this is the square in Tynemouth. And another view of the beach from around the bay. Very small beach with the traditional huts there selling refreshments. Quite a few ships out in the ocean there. And this is still Tynemouth here, but beyond the rocks you can see in the distance is Whitley Bay. And this beach in the middle of Tynemouth and Whitley Bay is called Long Sands Beach. This is Tynemouth with the festival in full flow. Some backing music provided, courtesy of Katrina and the Waves on this stage. A nice little garden area here for hot days like this, so you can keep in the shade. And this is what I will call the market square, where all the festivities are going on. Yeah, a lovely little town is Tynemouth.